The 2010 Ford F-150. This is a super cab pickup truck with a 6.5-foot bed, powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 19 miles per gallon. This Ford features cruise control, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, power steering, and parking sensors. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous 169-point inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, you're covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.